Now there was one more stock from fertilizer space which we were trying to take track upon, GNFC. This is also a small cap stock. Okay, so if you see on the daily basis, and we had discussed our support levels at around 250, okay, 250, 255, 260 kind of levels. A quick amount of selling had taken place from 310, came all the way down, and a reversal was seen in GNFC. So yesterday also it had opened gap up, right, and found some buying. Today it opens gap up again and tries to fly higher. So GNFC again, it is a trading range. On the upside would be 310, but if we see GNFC on the broader time frame, this is an amazing stock where results were good, and the fertilizer space are finding some amount of buying and interest from fund houses as well. Now, if you see over here, good amount of support was obtained along this band of 250, and then a quick rally took place. Right, came back again, a rally took place, came back again, a rally took place. So it is consistently finding support around 260 levels, right? And the rains were also good, so results expected following quarters will be better. So we will be buyer in GNFC. So if we go down and see, let's say, 30 minutes chart, see whether any kind of clear indications are there. It is pretty much clear because every day it's opening. So this was the point where a reversal took place, right? It opens up. So today also, if you see, uh, it did open up yesterday and it tried to sustain the gap. Today what happens over here, it goes up at the end of the day, and today it opens gap up. So even today's level, if you see, it is above 2 days high. So yesterday's high was somewhere around 275, right? It reaches that high by gap up, plus the previous day high was around 280. So right now it is trading above 2 days high, right? So that shows the bullishness in the stock. If you just see how far it can go, so yes, it is going higher. It has a potential to go all the way to 290. So the upside for GNFC going from here might be 10 rupees more, around 292 levels for GNFC can be easily likely, right? So GNFC, as we had discussed, so these are good stocks given good results. When they undergo good amount of correction, we look out for reversal trends, right? So yesterday was amazing day because it opened gap up and it tried to sustain this gap throughout the day. So if we go down and see minutely, let's say we go down and see 15 minutes and 5 minutes chart. So if you see yesterday what happened, it went up, came all the way down, and it tried to sustain its yesterday's close. So this is where we are more interested for stocks where we are positive upon, and you see these kind of support coming along compared to yesterday's close. Now, if you see at the end of the day what happens over here, it trades in a small range, and all of a sudden a green bar comes along, and this bar basically forms high of the entire day, right? So it reaches all the high, and this second bar basically takes off all the highs of the small candles which are formed on 5 minutes level, right? So these are the trades which we are looking out for. Any kind of reversals taking place from the gap up zone, comes back to the same zone, and then it shoots up, right? And on the backside of fundamental background, we were very sure GNFC will be posting good numbers following this quarter. So the target for GNFC can be higher. So if we get a fall, and if it comes back around this 275 levels and find a reversal, we would be buyer, because I see GNFC going easily to 305 and 3010 15 levels in coming days also. Right. So prior to the quarter results, GNFC will see good amount of upside. So always keep a look on GNFC.